Ladies and gentlemen, in this short video I'm going to show you how you can submit your personal information here in your Google AdSense so that you can start earn money from YouTube, right? So as you see here, once you click here on payment and click here, you see there is no issue, but here they are recommending us first of all to fill our personal information. Here, let's get started. Just follow 2 steps to start earning with ads. Here, we are going to deal with this part because we can need this once we are going to monetize or to create Google AdSense for our site, for website. But for us, we are dealing with YouTube channel. That's why we need to focus on this previous one. Also, this one is where you connect your site to AdSense. To me, that this is for those website creators. Once you need to monetize or to link your website with Google AdSense so that you can start to earn money, you can use this one or this one. So for us, let us focus on our task is this one. You click on enter information here. Then after clicking there, you will get form to fill your information, and if you already fill them in your Google AdSense, you will get them here so that you can update them if it's necessary. But for me, it's just not necessary to update because are real information. These are names, just address, road, then city and country here. Do you see? Then what I need to do is just to submit. What you should keep in your mind is to check whether this information are one meet with those on your ID, right? So you click on submit here. After checking and confirm that is correct, you click on submit here. Then you wait a little bit, and as you see, our information is already submitted, and as you see now is checked as a green icon payment. Do you see? So here, once you click here, instead of now entering information, you can read more about payment. Do you see? It's already updated and changed. So this is how it's looking like. What you should keep in your mind is to check whether that this icon is green now, to mean that our data or information is already sent. So this is the simple way of how you can submit your personal information in Google AdSense in order to start earning money from YouTube. So thank you. See you in the next video.